Well, welcome to my channel, and we're going to look at a new product today. It is the TP Link AX1800 USB Wi-Fi adapter. If you've seen my previous video, over my left shoulder here is my modem router, AT&T fiber optics, and to my left here is a Wi-Fi extender that's from TP Link. So I had been having big trouble where I was getting on my PC download speeds that were horrendous. Then all of a sudden, sometimes they'd be up okay, but most of the time they were really, really bad. 3 megabytes per second, 10, 15, 30. Then it would go up to 80, back down. So it was all over the place. I did the Wi-Fi extender, and lo and behold, I have had very consistent readings in the 80 to 100 megabyte per second download. I'm sure when I show it to you now, it won't be there, but I promise you for the last week, they have been very, very consistent. I want it faster, however, and I'm currently using an old TP Link USB adapter that I'm not going to use any longer. So I have gone ahead to get this, and it's Wi-Fi 6 technology that is included in this. Not much else that's important here. I bought it on Amazon for $33 US, and looks like it's got a couple of antennas, as you could see. So we're going to open it up. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll hook it up, and we'll do some Wi-Fi tests. So first, let's do a test before I do anything at all with this. So just one moment. Are you ready? I am going to go ahead and test this right now. And here we go. It is connecting. And uh-oh. So my download speed, 59, is some of the worst I've seen. And I'm not quite sure why, so I'll have to look and see if I've moved something or made some sort of change. So let me do that, and then we'll test it again. Well, are you with me? You could see the last one was not good at all at a download of 59 and an upload of 43. Let's try it again. I just looked. I really haven't made any changes to the product. So let's see what we got. This is much more consistent with what I've seen over the last week. So I'm not really sure what happened. I did disconnect one thing I was testing that I wasn't using. So we're going to do it a third time. And after I do it 3 times, we'll have our numbers. So again, this is the second test, and our download of 92 and our upload of 62. That's really what I've been pretty close to experiencing, though it's been in the hundreds quite a bit. But let's try again. So here's our third time. And hopefully this will be closer to 100, and we'll have some consistent numbers at least. So here we go. The ping of 17 is good, and it looks like we're going to be around the same number again. Oh, maybe not. So this one is going to be a little bit slower. So there we go with that inconsistency again. It was 67 is the download, and the upload looks like it's going to be in the 20s, which is a little bit worse than I've been getting. Actually, it's 36. So Download 67, upload 36. These are not speeds that I need for some of the video works that I do. So are you ready? We're going to open up our product and take a look at what we got. Well, let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. I'm not going to do a big box opening because frankly there's not going to be too much to this. Here's the inside of the box. Kind of large, by the way, versus I'll show you what the old one looks like, but this thing is really large. So let's take it out. Here it is, cable. And you have to look really close to the quick installation guide. I have a feeling it's going to be plug-in. So anyway, let's see what this stuff looks like. So here's our TP Link. And underneath, it's got a connector here. And it looks like a special proprietary connector, probably for them. I'm not sure, but that is what it appears like. I'm going to take off the covering here, the cellophane, or whatever it is. Let's go ahead and do the same here. So here's our cable. Give you an idea of the size of the cable. Here's that special connector. So I'm going to go ahead and let's put this connector in here. That's it. USB 3 connector we'll put in the back of the computer. Well, let's take a look at the old versus the new. So this is the old. And of course it does move all over the place. And this is the new here. Old versus the new. Hopefully this will make a difference. So I'm going to plug it in now and we'll test. It's installed. I had trouble the first few times installing because what kept happening is it was just like buffering. It wouldn't set up the built-in drivers. The third time was a charm, and I unplugged it, plugged it back in, and I was able to set it up. It took seconds for the driver to download and be seen. And so we're all set. We have it on. There is a blue light on it. So I know it's connected. So here we go, guys. Alrighty. Are you ready? Test number 1. Well, this can't last, but it's awesome. Here we go. It's going down a bit. Well, it's kicking in. So the download was 116. Wow. And let's take a peek here. Upload. Kind of looks like it stalled at 89. Upload was 73. So test number 1, pretty good. Are you ready for number 2? Here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3. It looks like it's over 100 again. 120s, 130s. Ping was 21, which is good, by the way. Download 142. And the upload running pretty high right now. I'm sure it'll come down a little bit. Looks like it is going to end in the, wow, 100 upload. So download 142, upload 100. Here goes number 3 and finale. This is amazing. There we go again. Running pretty high. By the way, I connected it to my Wi-Fi extender, so I made sure that I was on the correct Wi-Fi network. Download speed 114, a little bit slower. And let's see how the upload is. Upload right now is pretty high. We'll see if it comes down and closer to 90. Upload 107. They're almost equal, download and upload. So it looks like we got it, guys. It looks like we have speeds over 100 megabytes per second, which based on where I am is probably as good as I'm going to get. And I'm liking this new Wi-Fi adapter from TP Link.